Nutraceuticals have firmly captured their share of shelf space, and demand for products in this category is projected to grow. These nutritional supplements are monitored for quality like pharmaceuticals, but available for purchase without a prescription. The term nutraceuticals encompasses just about everything that people ingest that isn't a food or medicine, such as vitamins, homeopathic remedies, naturopathic diet supplements, minerals, shark cartilage, bee pollen, you name it. As we learn about diet and how it affects our ability to live a long and healthy life, it's only natural that products in this market are gaining swift and wide acceptance with health-conscious people. Yet many of the older consumers who benefit from nutraceuticals often find the simple action of opening a vitamin bottle or jar a bit complicated because they don't have the strength or dexterity that they used to, which is one of the primary reasons MRP Solutions has developed the NutraGen II closure. The NutraGen II is designed to be easy to open with very little effort. It dispenses both large and small pills, and with one-hand easy opening is senior-friendly. The NutraGen II provides a welcome change from standard screw caps that are difficult to open or flip tops that are just okay. The demand for vitamins, minerals and supplements is being driven by the consumer trend to pursue a healthier lifestyle through wellness and clean living. Combine this attitude with an aging population and increased life expectancy, and you get a market that's going to grow around 6% annually, and those consumers are going to buy the product that's easiest to use. So it makes sense for nutraceutical products to be sold in a differentiating pack that makes them more desirable. MRP Solutions NutraGen II is a closure that offers a clear benefit to a fast-growing consumer segment, and by doing so, offers a clear benefit to the company that chooses to compete in this market.